Creating other social media accounts will do nothing but benefit you. People are visual, and adding pictures that are easy to understand will get you more clicks. Creating an account on Pinterest. Go to https://pinterest.com. You can sign up with an email or connect with Facebook. If you sign up with an email, you will have to fill in all the required fields. Next, follow the 5 boards that most closely relate to your niche. Now it's time to see how you get going. You will click pins that most closely relate to your content and comment. Remember to confirm your request to join in your email and make your own board from the large plus sign with links to your posts around the web. Social bookmarking. Signing up with Instagram. Instagram is for your iOS, example iPhone, or Android device. To sign up for an Instagram account, download the Instagram app in the App Store for your iPhone or iPad, or in Google Play for an Android device. Once the app is installed, tap the Instagram icon to open it. Tap Register. Create a username. Choose a username that clearly represents your brand and password, and fill out your profile info. Example, email, name, or you can use your Facebook info. Tap Done. For your PC, install the BlueStacks software for your Windows from http://www.bluestacks.com. BlueStacks requires a Core 2 Duo PC with 2 GB RAM and Windows 7 or Vista with .NET Framework 3.5, so make sure your PC is up to date. Many people have asked why BlueStacks does not install. 99% of the time is your PC software is not up to date. After this, download Instagram app for Android or iPhone, double-click the .apk file. This will auto-install itself on BlueStacks. Then follow the steps from before. Next, we will look at how to start your own newsletter.